Grandpa?
Who said that?
Hey, I think we might be getting some trick-or-treaters tonight.
All those little bastards, let me go get some candy. Oh, fuck. Oh, my hip. Oh, God. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Here, you little fucker. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that around a kid. I'll go this from there. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Shit. All right. Shucks. I don't know what else to do. Well, I guess I'll take you around my crib. Let's see here. We have the microwave. Cook a lot of our meals here on the microwave. See what we got. We got some apples. Looks like we got ourselves a watermelon. Oh, man. That thing's pretty nasty. All right, here. Let's see. We got ourselves some.
Just turn around, Grandpa. Say Happy Halloween to everybody.
Oh, dear. Happy Halloween. You know some pumpkin pie. You want some pumpkin pie? Holy hell! What the hell is that? Who the hell is that over there?
Happy Halloween, everybody! Happy Halloween!
Holy hell, look at this son of a bitch.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
Yeah. Widget.
That's the end.